welcome back. It's my channel. I am Camille, and today we are going to be solving these 4 Rubik's Cubes. I know how to solve Rubik's Cubes, and these are some of the Rubik's Cubes that I can solve. I don't want to be solving my mirror cube because it's going to take like forever. Okay, so something popped up on the camera. Like, that's normal. So yeah, let's get started with solving. How about this one? It's the most basic Rubik's Cube. So we're going to solve it. First, let's mix it up. Is that good enough? No. Solve it. Okay. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. No! There's like some colors together. No! I think that's good. That's good, right? I hope it is. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh wait, this, okay. I'm not gonna be talking while I'm solving the Rubik's Cube because you gotta focus on what you're solving. I mean, if that ever makes sense to you, because like, if you mess up, that's just gonna be horrible, you know? But why am I talking right now? I have exactly no idea. Okay, where's my whites? Okay. Okay. Probably said that like a million times already. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Where's what? Okay. I just literally said okay like a million times. Okay, so I just said that again. Is that it? No, it is not. Okay. So I literally just said okay again. Oh, wow. Okay. And we solved it. There we go. I don't know how long it took that because I don't have my timer with me. Why did I not bring it? It's okay. But now that we've solved this one, we're just gonna move it on out of here. Let's solve. So we have these 3 still needed to be solved. So let's solve this one. So first, we have to mix it up, just like normal. Yeah. During my practice video, I kind of like, I have practice videos, okay? I kind of like messed up a lot. So yeah. Okay, I think that's mixed enough, right? No, there's yellow. Together. No, I think that's fine. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, this one confuses me a bit. No. How do I do this? No, that's exactly not how you do it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm on a good start. Oh, wait, what? Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, so I solved that. Okay. This Rubik's Cube is really easy to solve because I already solved it. Now you can get on out of here. Now, which one should we solve? This one or that one? I think this one. This one's so easy. My fastest record for solving this one was 19 seconds. I don't know. I don't think I would beat it today, but let's hope we will. Most likely not. I'm terrible at Rubik's Cubes. But, like, I know how to solve some. I don't know how to solve every single Rubik's Cube in the world, but I know how to solve some Rubik's Cubes, which is pretty epic. This is all mixed? Yeah, this is all mixed. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Where's the other piece? Okay. Oh, wait, no. No. No! It's stuck. Okay. Okay. Said that like a million times again. Okay, boom. And boom, we solved it. Don't know how long that took, but that probably took like more than 20 seconds because it took a bit to solve that one, but like it's okay. So now we're gonna solve this one. I'm mixing it up. How do I mix this thing? How do I mix this up really good? I don't know. Did I already mix it really good? I think I did. We got 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I mixed it up quite a bit. So this is kind of hard. Okay. Say that like a million times again. Oh, it's already there. Duh. Okay. And I said okay again. Oh my gosh. Okay. And I said okay again. Wow. Okay. I just literally said okay again. Done. And boom. And then it's done, 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 done. I solved it! That was probably like my best record. Like that didn't feel long at all. But anyways, guys, I solved all the Rubik's Cubes I brought in today for me to solve, for you guys to see that I proved that I can solve all 4 of these Rubik's Cubes. So I'm going to end the video here now. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, remember to press the like button and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye!